In today's video, I'm going to show you an action item that everybody can apply in their GA4 account. It's one of the things that the privacy-led marketing handbook that I'm holding in my hands is dealing with, and it's easily downloadable in campaign/privacy-led handbook on datadrivenyou.com. For now, let's go to the Google Analytics 4, and I'm going to show you what can you do about a privacy breach that happens more often than you would think and is maybe happening on your website and in your GA4 right now, but you're not aware of it. Number one, you should go to Pages and Screens report, a default report in your engagement topic of the lifecycle collection, and in the search box, type the email monkey, and it will surface if possibly there was a page view on your website that happened to include somebody's email. Right now we don't see it, but if I extend this time range to last 12 months and apply, you can see that there were 4 page views that included a person's email in the page path. How did this happen? Probably some form was broken, or simply somebody could type an email in the URL bar and it will appear in your GA4 reports. Here we are facing a situation that has been thoroughly described in the privacy-led marketing handbook that I'm holding in my hand, and that's accessible and downloadable for you in the URL you see on your screen. Particularly, it's the point number 11 that says collect only the data that you need and that you are allowed to collect. And right now I'm going to show you how you can actually get rid of this data because it's polluting your data set. So you can add a secondary dimension, put date in there, just to identify when did these data breaches happen. In our case, it happened in August, in April, and in June. So next you want to go to the admin section, find data deletion here, and then schedule a data deletion request. Here in this drop down you can see that there are several ways you can delete the data. Obviously, delete all parameters on all events means that you will delete everything that you have in GA4, everything that ever defined any of your events. We don't want to do that. All registered parameters on selected events or selected parameters on all events, they both represent a way to get rid of huge amounts of data either on a particular event or a particular parameter, but what gives us most flexibility is selected registered parameters on selected events. Start date can be 18th of August this year, and end date, because they're both inclusive, we'll choose the same date. So we just want to delete stuff that happened on 18th of August. Event that we are interested in is page view. Parameter that we want to get rid of is the page location. Obviously we were looking at page path, but that's just a derivative of page location, and we only want to remove values that contain email address monkey. And the only remaining step is to schedule the report, which I'm not going to do right now, but I just want to remind you that this and many other things that you need to care about when it comes to privacy of the data that you collect in GA4 and elsewhere is contained in this privacy-led marketing handbook that you can download by visiting the URL that you see on the screen. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, download the handbook and see you in our next video.